Hello guys, what's up? I'm back here for you, and today I will show you how you can make over $200 in minutes by pressing one single button. Really crazy strategy, guys. I don't know how anyone can miss out on this because this is so damn easy that even babies can do it. And the money is raining on these websites. All we have to do is to go and grab it. And I'm gonna show you what you need to do in order to start making money from this. Just make sure to follow all the steps carefully as they are closely related and you need to do them in exact order, guys. I'm here to help you with some guidance, and as always, please like the video and make sure you subscribe so you can be with me whenever I find some new methods for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
Now guys, today we earn some money. Today we earn money, and that's gonna be really crazy for today because this is the perfect strategy which I'm gonna show you today. First of all, we need to go to google.com, and in here you can just type in Google News and click enter, or alternatively you can click on this button over here and click on the news button. Now what's that gonna do? It's gonna open all of these Google News, and all these news are written by professionals. That's why they are on Google. They check these, they make sure they are all right, and they post them here. As you can see, there are a lot of categories here. It's US, world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And if you, for example, click on health section over here, you can just see that there are a lot of health-related questions which you can find here. If you click on sports, for example, you will find all sports-related news in the world right now. And it's a never-ending story here. A lot of news here, and they are constantly refreshing these and putting up new news. There is something for everyone, really. You can come here and watch and read the news whole day and you won't read it all. So that's a perfect place where we can get our articles which we're gonna use to make money for ourselves. So for example, I will take this Sony's newest VR headset isn't what you think it is. Click on it and it will open the original site where this news has been posted. As you can see, there is a full article about these newest headsets. Now for the second step, I want you to connect to Spinbot.com. And Spinbot.com is a website where you can just type any text into this box here, and when you click on go, you will get whole rewritten text and it will be original. So now what we have to do is we can just copy this whole article into our clipboard, paste it into this box here, and then click on go button. And what that'll do, it's gonna write a whole different article. It's got the same meaning, but they have used some synonyms, they changed the range of the words. So it's a whole new article which you can use now, and it isn't copyrighted as this one is. You can check this one on the internet and you can use it in whatever way you want it to. And that's how we're gonna make our money today, guys. This is the method. And now, in order to use that article, in order to make us some money, you should go to Textbroker.com. This is a website where you can sell those articles and make huge amounts of money, guys. As you can see, a lot of partners are here which are very popular, and they pay for those articles. What you need to do when you come here, you need to go to I write content and click on payment. And here you can see that you can get like 2 cents per word minimum, and you can get 5 cents per word on these 5 stars. And I'll show you how you can get those 5 stars. Let's see down here. You can see that if you get the quality of your article on 5 star, and you will get that because Google News articles are always 5 or maybe 4 stars, but 5 the most. And if you click on word counter, so for example, that article has around 170, that's $85, guys. $85 for that simple article, which we have just copied from Google News. Down here, you also have some rewards. You can get a laptop bag, you can get Kindle, tablet, or one-night trip to Las Vegas. Actually, it's a 3-night trip. That's a great program. You can get even rewards here, and you can get plenty of money, guys. Just look, if you find some longer article, you can get $200 each day, guys. You only have to do this once, copy that article, change it with Spinbot here, and just come back here and sell it to these guys. And all you have to do is click on the sign up button, click on this button because you want to be an author, sign me up as an author, fill in this simple information, your email address and password, and click on sign up. And that's how easy it is, guys. As you can see, that's a really, really crazy method. You can earn a lot of money just using these articles from Google News. Now, there is also one more website where you can come and you can become scripted writer, as you can see here. It is scripted.com. And scripted.com is even better than Textbroker. As you can see, work anywhere, anytime. So it doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter where you come from, you can earn yourself some money. And as you can see, scripted writers made over $1 million in 2020. That's only last year, guys, $1 million, and you can get a piece of that cake for you as well. As you can see here, work as much or as little as you want, guys. So you can set your own schedule. You don't have to work from 9 to 5. You can just copy this one article, paste it there, and you can earn money. There are different categories here, and in order to get more money, you need to go to the highest ones, and Google News articles will help you that. And you will reach all of these partners, guys: Adobe, Adidas, LinkedIn, IBM. So there is a lot of credibility on this page alone, guys. As you can see, quick payments for accepted projects, and they're gonna accept your projects because you have perfectly written articles which you copied from Google News, changed them on Spinbot, and then you come here and sell it to them, and that's really great, guys. All you have to do is to click on the Apply Now button, fill out this information here, like email address, first name, last name, password. Just make sure to enter a valid email address, create an account, and that's it. You are now ready, guys, to make yourself some money, and everybody can do this. No investments, no skills. You don't need anything, guys. You don't need anything. You have to copy the article, change it on Spinbot, and that's it. That's it. How easy money can that be? This is the most craziest method on earth, guys. And these websites made it possible, guys. They made it possible for you to come on Google News and copy the entire article. For example, let's click on this one. Why COVID-19 vaccines for younger children will come in smaller doses. And this one is from CNN Health. So, I mean, this is a perfectly written article, and it wouldn't be on CNN if it wasn't good. You now just have to copy the article into your clipboard, come to Spinbot, delete this one and paste that one, and now you click on this I'm not a robot, so complete that CAPTCHA. It doesn't even need to do that. Go, and that's it. Now you just come onto these websites and you sell those. You sell those for as much money as you can. And as we were able to see here, just look at this, guys. Even if you write like the most shitty article, which is like 2 stars, and you make it like 2,000 words, I mean, look at this. $14 and you did nothing, guys. $14 you can earn in 5 minutes, actually. I mean, you can do it in 3 minutes if you're fast enough, but $14 for 5-minute business is really, really good. And those articles from Google News are not 2 stars. They are 4 stars at least. And they are all like 2,050. So you can see that you can get $35 each 5 minutes, guys. And this goes in a way, the more you do, the more money you will get. It's that simple. You only have to invest some of your time, and the money's gonna come in your pocket like crazy, guys. It's a perfectly good method. We just need to take advantage of this strategy, guys, because everyone else is doing so, and you need to do it as well, because you're gonna be left out if you don't start taking action right now. As you can see here, Scripted has clients across 37 different industries, so you can find work within your expertise and on your terms. You just have to go on Google News and choose any of these categories, any of these industries here. So entertainment, technology, business, you just supply the demand on scripted.com. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. So now let's go out there and let's take some action and let's earn some money. This is your money machine, and I'll catch you guys later.